Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and I want to make some cards. Easter is right around the corner, and I haven't made cards in a while, and I thought, wouldn't it be fun to make some Easter cards using the new digital kit, the Easter kit. I'll have this linked below if you are interested in the kit. And I went to my stash and I found these already pre-cut, pre-folded card bases from an old, what is it called? Spellbinders kit that I used to get that I really need to finish up and use. So I have those. And then also from the kit, I pulled out this pack of ribbon that I've never used. And then I have some dots. I also have the two-sided tape. And then in my stash, I have the, which one is this? Small Talk. This is the Occasions pack. And it actually has Happy Easter here and Hopping Down the Bunny Trail. So yeah, there's different Eastery ones. And if I don't want white, let's see. Spring is in the air, Happy Easter in black and white. So I can use those for my sentiment. And then I also have some ribbon. No, this is lace. And then some Nuvo drops that I've had in my stash forever too. I pulled those out. So I have 3 pages from the kit and then a little music paper and a book page. And what I was thinking, I'm going to use this image on this one on this one, and I think this chick on this one. And I'm going to just see where I need to cut. So I think I could just kind of do this and have this image be on the cover. Pencil. Didn't get a pencil. Where's my pencil? Here's a pencil. Okay, so I'm going to mark this just a little bit down here and right there. I'll do the same on this one. There and there. And I think this guy. This one and this one. All right. So now I'm going to get out my trimmer and we'll trim those up. So it's kind of fun to use your digitals if you already have this kit. And if you have made a journal or are not, or you haven't yet, but it's also fun to use, now I can't find my mark, use your kit just in a different way besides just your junk journal. Sorry, I was trying to line it up and talk at the same time and I was not doing so well there. Because me and straight lines are hard. All right, let's see, where is my mark? Goodness, Cara. Try this again. Oh, there it is. There it is. Now I see it. Man, kind of blends in with the flower. I think I need to trim it just a smidgen. And then we can kind of get a little border. And it's been a long time since I've made some cards. It's kind of fun. I'm out of practice. Get my little scraps here. Okay. Look how cute. That's gonna be cute. All right, let's do this one. It's so easy. Really, you can just kind of do a little embellishing and then you're good to go. gonna make this a little bit smaller too. That's cute, cute, cute. And then I just like this little guy too. He's cute, holding his little Easter egg all wrapped in ribbon. I'm gonna go in a little bit. Cut off the white border. I'm going in just a smidge so I have a little bit of the white card base. If you don't like that style, you can also back it with other pages. Okay, so we're done with these. Put that aside. All right, my other card bases. Okay, let's take a look. Yep. That's really cute. And this one. Make sure we're all good. This one needs a little more. Yes, I like that. Okay, so let's get some tape and we'll tape these down. And then I was just thinking of doing a little cluster and somewhere and then adding the sentiment. Pretty simple. A little tape. You can also use a tape runner. It's kind of nice to use the stuff from the kit that I've had forever, but I still need to use. Put a little bit in the middle. This paper that I printed on is a little heavier than regular, just regular copy paper. I can't remember the thickness, but it's a little bit better quality. So if this was just printer paper, I would probably add something, I don't know, maybe not, but I might add something else to the back of this. You could layer it, you could do all sorts of fun stuff. Yeah, make sure I'm opening the card the correct direction. Been known to make a card upside down. Wouldn't put it past me. Oh my goodness, when I was making the 10 cards, 1 kit for Love from Lizzie, there were so many times I got stressed out that I did that. Oh goodness. It was a fun experience. She had some awesome card makers on her design team, so I always felt a little, like I wasn't bringing as much to the design team table as their card makers, the card makers on the team. And then I would watch their videos. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so incredible. Some very talented card makers. All right, anyway, back to this. I'm going to tape this one on. I just love it. And I love just a quick and easy card. It's cute, just like that. Just write your little note inside and you're good. Trying to go fast. Watching me tape is probably not the most thrilling thing. I'm trying. All right, before I tape this one on, let's get some ribbon. Let's see what color. Pink. The white maybe, or the cream, I don't know. I kind of like, let's go with the cream. So I was thinking I could tape this. Oh, it's double. Okay. Got this. All right, so I was thinking it's probably way more than I need. But if I put this, let's see where's the bottom. Well, I need a little more tape so it will stick to the card. And my hand. I think another reason why I was thinking had cards on the, did I already say this, on the mind was when Erin and I had our crafty chat and she made cards. I'm like, man, it's been a long time. I might have already said that. Sometimes I think it, I don't remember if I say it out loud. I'm turning into my mother. All right, here we go. There we go. Tie a little knot or a little bow. Could you hold it for me? Thanks. Oh my goodness. Fix it. I want to make this little. Right. We're just gonna let it be. That's cute. We're gonna just go with that. All right, and then let's put "Somebody Loves You" like that, like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna let that one sit and dry, and then let's move on. Okay, so that's cute right here. Just put XOXO in there, that's fun. Should I ink it a little bit? There we go. And then let's see. I'm gonna put Happy Easter on the inside. So let's do just a little collage. A little something. All right. You know what? No, I need a tape, my double-sided tape. We'll put that right there. Does it need something? I'm gonna put a little bit of this in the corner. Just 3 dots probably. And then maybe 3 down here. All right, and I'm gonna let that dry. Hopefully those kind of calm down a little bit. All right, and then the blue one, and I think the blue one will look fun with some lace. Here or on the side would be good. Trim. And then let's see. Hopping down the bunny trail, but it's not a bunny. Good things come in small packages. That would work. I'll have my peeps call your peeps. That's funny. Cute as a bunny singing in the rain. Where we also have a second Happy Easter, so we'll do that. Put it right here. Just gonna add a little ink. Okay, oh my goodness, cute, simple and cute. All right, let me get cleaned up and I'll be right back. Adorable. And they're all ready for Easter. Yay. Awesome. All right, well, thanks for joining me for something a little different today. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.